Dom and Finn here, and we're going to try the DARKSTAR again. Obviously, if you haven't seen our first video, this is a small foamy version of what Tom Cruise flew in Top Gun Maverick. And I've flown this once, and I think it's really good actually. I mean, it's not super powerful, it's not a fast jet, but what I do like about it is that I think it uses differential thrust for yaw. And it's just an interesting thing. I wish they did something like this, but a lot bigger. So I'm going to have a quick go with it and then hand the controls over to Finn. So if you hold it, Finn. And I remember with this, Trev, that you plug in the battery and then the controller, yeah?
Yeah, it's well, it seems like the wrong way around really, but it's how it is.
Hold the controller.
Might be worth once you get it plugged in, just showing the twin EDFs in there, because that's a cool feature.
Yeah. Alright, so we plug this in. And then if you want to hold down the button there.
You don't just give it full power in there.
Just a quick blip here. Up, down to arm it. Yeah, brilliant, that works.
Cool, see? But
we don't look like complete amateurs this time.
well, don't speak too soon.
Oh, damn.
What?
You just said don't speak too soon.
Well,
that'd be right, Dom knows what
we're
he's
just
doing.
average hobbyists, aren't we, really?
Yeah.
Dom's,
not show pilots or
well,
anything like that, although you might be going
Dom
that
keeps
way
playing it down, but...
God, look at this, you need to tuck in the wires.
See, now you're looking like amateurs.
No.
A professional would have had that in the air by
careful.
Now. Amateur house.
Look, so there's only one position it can go in.
Oh yeah.
You can come a little bit closer if you want, mate.
I just zoomed
You
in.
don't smell.
I just zoomed in, using technology.
Close the hatch, it snaps shut. It has different modes, but I've lost the instructions.
Who needs instructions?
But I do remember B. I think it's like different stabilisation modes, and B, if I remember, was the best one last time. Right.
Can I just you show us the EDFs?
Oh yes.
Oh well, the followers. Hold it up a bit higher so I get this sky going for it. Yeah, you see that little EDFs? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay, now I do remember on the first video somebody commented that I should try that button there on the right shoulder.
What's that, the
self-destruct? That might give me more. I think that's what's the drive system that they have in the DARKSTAR?
Scramjet.
Scramjet. I think that engages the scramjet.
Okay, it's either that or self-destruct.
Yeah. Or it's gyro off.
Yeah, that's the instant crash button.
Yeah.
Now, the thing I like about these, this is kind of the toy end of the hobby, let's get real here. But if I, as a kid, got this in my stocking at Christmas or for one of my birthday presents, I'd be absolutely, really excited. But could a kid fly this? Well, I think you'd be surprised.
We'll find out in a minute.
Can someone in their mid-50s fly?
Yeah, can a big kid fly it? Let's see.
And I'm a big kid, don't doubt that. Right, here we go.
Oh, it's off.
Hands off.
Yeah, I'd remember last time it does hand launch well, doesn't it? Very stable. So you haven't seen this fly before, have you, Finn?
I haven't, no.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does. It's well cool. Look at that. I mean, it's a good way to get into EDF jets, I guess. Flight down that park.
So when are we going to hit Mach 10 then?
That is it. Look, okay, so I'll go down here and I'll turn. Full throttle coming up.
Okay. Alright.
Mach 10.
It's alright, it scoots along, doesn't it?
So yeah, probably scale speed.
Right, Finn.
Yeah.
Come over here, mate.
Okay.
Well, I'm taking the controls from you.
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting. So,
okay.
What does the kid think of it then? We'll find out. Okay, so I think Finn's on the sticks now. He is. Just quickly pan over. Yeah, so we got Finn on it. Okay, oh there it is.
And the EDFs make some cool noises, don't they?
I do.
So flight to the camera, a bit closer.
So Finn, have you noticed on the turns like how it kind of is adjusting the, was it say yaw?
That's it. what's called less technical terms, essentially at the EDFs do differential to act as rudder.
Yeah. So did you get that? Because it does do quite flat turns, doesn't it?
You can hear it.
I mean, I think it flies really slowly and quite stable for what it is.
Yeah, gyro really helps out.
Ah, no.
Oh.
Hovering.
Oh, Finn.
Oh, it's a 3D jet.
Well,
What happened there, Finn? Analysis of what went wrong there.
Too low, too slow.
Right, I'll hold that. You've got young legs.
yeah,
Isn't
you crashed it. You can go and get it.
Yeah.
So we actually know about this model. It actually crashes so well, doesn't it? It's quite
Come
tough.
on, quick, kid.
Quick, run.
I'm running.
She's running.
I ate too much food today, Dom. I can't run.
He had too much chocolate for breakfast. That's
Yeah.
what it means. So, yeah.
Kids say.
I think it's pretty cool for what it is.
Yeah, I really like it actually. Do you know, in the past we've had more fun with stuff like this than the big stuff, because you can really sort of let your hair down and just have some good old like basic sort of childish fun with it. can't you?
Generally, cost to enjoyment in this hobby is inversely proportional.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh,
I have
definitely.
quite expensive aerobatic composite models and jets, turbine jets, and I'm just terrified when I fly those, unless I fly them often. But this type of thing is just a giggle, isn't it, from start to finish?
So that was quite a full-on like in the nose crash, wasn't it?
Yeah, look.
But yeah, not even
Not even a
never know.
dent.
Yeah,
Because, like, do you remember Emu? Do you remember Emu?
I do.
Rod
Finn
Hull and Emu?
Yeah.
It's like,
does, yeah, now you said it.
it's like that, isn't it? Do you remember when he attacked Parkinson? On it? They interviewed him and he was like, having a go at him. Right, here we go. So easy to hand launch.
That's what you want, isn't it? Especially if you buy something like this and you haven't really flown before, the chances are you're going to get it up in the air for a very short,
I think, yeah,
you'll be able to get it airborne.
yeah, it'd be great fun down the park.
Yeah.
I think the only small thing is with it, if you over pitch,
Oh, like what Finn did.
like Finn did, you can't get it back.
Yeah. The batteries last forever in these things as well, don't they?
Yeah, there ain't.
Am I right in saying there's when you order this, you can choose how many batteries come with
I
it?
think so. Crazy.
Oh,
Like that.
yeah.
Brilliant. Do you want a quick go, Trev?
Oh, go on then. I can't let you two have all the fun, can I? Alright, so my turn to crash it.
I'll put it down
Fly it.
on the ground. Let me hold
Okay.
that.
So, right, gloves off for this. Right, here we go. Alright, time to my finger.
Full power, level launch.
Yeah, that easy.
Literally that easy.
Alright. And we're away. Nose down. I'll tell you what, it's such a good looking jet, isn't it?
I think so. It's certainly very different.
They should do a bigger one, really. That'd be
Yeah,
nice.
I know, they should. This is what I'm saying. It flies so well.
I know you can get 3D printed ones, but nothing.
They would be quite a lot more fragile.
Yeah, they would like one crash.
it like you did.
Yeah.
if you could get, oh, oh,
You two.
I've lost, yeah.
What have you lost?
I think I've lost all power.
The scramjet has
Yeah, look.
failed. Oh, you so full of excuses.
Probably
That was
like
cool. Yeah, that
Did
was
you
it.
not see the low fuel indicator flashing?
What happened? I hit Mach 10.3 and yeah, just couldn't handle it. Yeah. Yeah, luckily the pilot ejected, so
Yeah, he's all right. Tom Cruise will be back in Maverick
it'd be
9.
right. Yeah.
Top Gun 9.
All
right.
Thanks for that.
All right. Well, I think we'll say goodbye there.
Yeah.
Cheers. Adios.
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 Adios.